afternoon listening to science lectures on Audible, a free Audible book full of science lectures. Fascinating, and proof that you don't need to be listening to utter shite all the time. You can actually listen to something and learn something. I'd say about 10% of it actually went in because I was doing other stuff as well at the same time, but enough went in where it was worth my time, I think. I look around and see people constantly watching daytime TV, and even just overhearing it, it makes me feel more stupid. So I'm fighting back against it. Watch loads of science and nature documentaries. Listen to science and political science, lectures and things like that. Just people are too fucking stupid. Just in general, people are too stupid. There was part of the lecture where they were talking about the earth being curved and the Coriolis effect and shooting cannonballs or snipers trying to shoot people from miles away. You've got to take the Coriolis effect into account. This was all known hundreds and hundreds of years ago, and now we've got people trying to tell you that the earth is flat. People in the 1300s knew that the earth was round. They could work out what was happening in the celestial bodies. They knew about the planets. Alright, they thought that the sun went around the earth, but they soon got to the end of that one, didn't they? So they knew what was happening, but yeah, it just seems to be we've gone stupid. We don't trust anybody at all. Well, the people don't trust anybody. Don't trust scientists. Despite the fact that I hate that phrase as well. I've heard loads of times from knuckle-dragging fuckwits. Do your own research, lads. Do your own research. Why? Why would I do my own research? I wouldn't do my own brain surgery. Why would I do my own research? There's people out there who've spent an entire lifetime dedicated to learning this kind of stuff. They're the experts. They're the ones you should be listening to. If you go and do your own research on 4chan or wherever else it is, you're just being an aegis. There's no need for it. Start listening to experts again. They know what they're talking about. And the good thing about experts, and when they come up with a theory, is that everybody, and I mean everybody who's in their field, looks at it and goes, brilliant, let's try and disprove this. Because the more you disprove, the closer you get to the truth. And if you get to a point where all your peers look at it and can't disprove what you've said, then it becomes accepted theory. And then you can move on, and as a species we can move forward. But don't do your own research. If you want to look into something, fair enough, but when it comes to things like vaccines and the earth being round and what have you, there's no point in doing your own research. Although, actually, no, you can do your own research while we're during the summer. If you want to see whether the earth's round or not, see if you can find somewhere, a nice, long, huge field, and put a stick at one end, put a stick at the other end, and then see if there's any difference with the shadows. It's got to be a fair distance apart, like, but you know. This was all proved. We all did this years and years ago. A stick in the ground at 12 o'clock midday, and overhead, the sun is right over you, and there's no shadow. Whereas so many 100 miles in that direction, a stick in the ground at exactly the same time of the day, there's a shadow, which means the earth's curved. It is spherical. All the research has been done. Why are these idiots saying do your own research? Vaccines, lad, do your own research. What? Who in the right mind does their own research into fucking vaccines? Unless you're a virologist or something, know what I mean? Stop being stupid. Listen to people who know. Doctors know what they're talking about. All right, it might have come from an area where there was a lot of hit and miss in the past. We've had to learn from experience. But they still know what they're doing. We've stopped using leeches to cure everything. We're now using other stuff. Other natural stuff. You know, bark from Amazonian trees and all that kind of malarkey. But they've tested everything. We know what's going on. The research has been done. Listen to experts. Same as with climate change. Lad, they're lying to you. They're just lying to you. They're not, just behave yourself. You can tell. It hasn't rained here for about 6 weeks. The grass is absolutely shattered to bits, like tracing paper. Climate's not changing. It's changing in front of you. 1976 now, I was only 3 back then. I can't remember it, but everyone spoke about it. The hottest summer ever. It went on and on and on and on and on. It went on for about 2 weeks. Nowadays we're getting 40 degrees and it goes on for a month. Climate has changed in my lifetime. We're getting floods in times. I'll start that again. We're getting floods in places where we never used to get floods. Because the climate's changed and we've unwilded loads of places. Was it the Mail the other day said that rewilding has caused wildfires, when it's the opposite? Rewilding will put things back to the way they should be. It's not causing wildfires. Climate changes. Burning fossil fuels constantly. And you look at China, the worst in the world for doing it. And all of a sudden they've gone completely green and they are almost self-sufficient with solar and wind and all kinds of stuff, showing it can be done. And it just means that next time there's any kind of issue where, I don't know, for example, maybe the President of the United States decides to go and bomb yet another Middle East country and then oil goes through the roof, you're not reliant on it. We don't need it in this country. We have enough wind, solar and wave power to produce everything we need. If they would just stop opening drilling in places in the North Sea. We've gone past peak oil in the North Sea. We gave all ours away. Norway didn't. Norway now has a sovereign wealth fund. We don't. We sold ours off cheap. We're not right in the head in this country. We're really not. Long-term pain for short-term gain, as always. Never learn the lesson. Never, ever, ever.